The human mind, a universe far more mysterious than any planet we've explored. A landscape of thoughts, memories, fears, and secrets we barely understand. Every decision you make, every emotion you feel, every instinct you follow is driven by forces hidden deep beneath your awareness. Forces powerful enough to shape your destiny without your permission. Why do some people stay calm in chaos, while others crumble? Why do we love, fear, avoid, seek, obey, rebel, without knowing why? What invisible programs control your behavior? What silent patterns predict your future? What parts of your brain decide before you decide? Most people will never uncover these answers. Most will sleepwalk through their lives, guided by instincts they cannot name and thoughts they believe they control. But not you. Not anymore. Because once you understand the mind, your own mind, nothing stays the same. You see people differently. You see yourself differently. You see the world with sharper eyes and a stronger mind. Prepare to enter the psychology they never taught you. Prepare to decode humans down to their hidden motives, secret fears, and subconscious behaviors. Prepared to understand your mind like never before. This is Psychology MindScope.